Hi, it's good to have you. Nutritional supplements, what do they do? Whether it's vitamins, minerals, or herbs, they add the nutrients that your diet is lacking and provide you with that extra protection where you need. Blood type diet was created by Dr. Peter J. D'Adamo. He not only personalized the diet, but also the nutritional supplements and exercise as well. Just like food, nutritional supplements does not work the same way for everyone. It targets a fixed role to complete your nutritional requirement. Subscribe, thank you for giving me a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification. Let's zero in on blood type or nutritional supplements. Before you start any nutritional supplement regimen, consult your doctor. What do the nutritional supplements focus on for your type? Your supplements will help you to supercharge your metabolism, balance bacterial population diversity in your gut, prevent inflammation, support thyroid, and blunt unwarranted stress. Vitamins have different jobs. They help you to keep your body functioning properly. The vitamins you need to be taking is a high potency vitamin B complex. Some feel more energetic when they take this. You might want to try this out for a week or so and see how you feel. Make sure that it's free from fillers, binders, and wheat germ. You sometimes need vitamin B12 supplements, especially if you're starting blood type diet after being a vegan or vegetarian. You should avoid the one that contains cyanocobalamin. Instead, you need to get the one that has methylcobalamin, which is involved in the synthesis of melatonin, which means that you might even sleep better at night. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid studies show that during digestion, histamine is released from pantotene, which slows down dopamine beta hydrolase, which is an overreactive enzyme in your type that drains precious dopamine into anxiety inducing norepinephrine. Eat plenty of vitamin B rich foods. Your body uses minerals for different jobs. It keeps your bones, muscles, brain, and heart working properly. Your high protein diet stimulates unique enzymes in your digestive tract that ramp up calcium absorption. But there are situations when you should supplement your diet with calcium because your diet does not include many dairy products. You should take calcium supplementation 600 to 1100 milligrams elemental calcium. It's beneficial especially for type O children during their growth period, ages 2 to 5 years and 9 to 16 years, and for postmenopausal women. Fruits and vegetables usually provide enough magnesium to meet your biological needs, but it's been observed that your types does well on magnesium supplementation because it tends to optimize your digestive process and may reduce inflammation. If you suffer from migraine headaches or other types of inflammation and pain, you may want to add magnesium to your supplement plan. You have unstable thyroid metabolism. It can be affected by changes in the bacterial population in your gut. However, iodine supplementation is not recommended because your diet contains enough iodine, which is found in sea vegetables such as kelp. Nutraceuticals have health giving additives and it has medicinal benefits. Nutraceuticals that support digestive tract. Licorice. You produce a high amount of stomach acid which irritates and cause ulcers. Deglycyrrhizonated licorice can reduce your discomfort and help heal. Other remedies which protect your stomach lining and increase resistance to ulcers are slippery elm, marshmallow root. You can take it in tea or capsule forms, and ginger rhizome. Clove fruit is a source of eugenol. It has anti-inflammatory and anti-ulcer properties. Pancreatic enzymes. If you are one of those who switched recently to a blood type diet and not used to high protein diet, you need to take pancreatic enzymes with large meals for a while or at least until your system becomes adjusted to the more concentrated proteins. Stress support. Rhodiola herb is an anti-fatigue agent. It modulates stress more efficiently. It also seems to enhance the response of muscle tissue to exercise, help balance neurotransmitters, and may also have a mild antidepressant effect. Metabolic support, bladder wrack from kelp has iodine and large amounts of sugar fructose, which helps to protect the intestinal lining from the ulcer causing bacteria. It also helps with weight control, especially for those who suffer from thyroid dysfunction. N-acetylglucosamine. If you are trying to go lectin free or are dealing with gut problems, it may be worthwhile supplement. Supplement with potential problem. St. John's wort can interact with neurotransmitters and stress chemicals that can get out of balance. It also affects how the liver detoxifies certain drugs and environmental chemicals. So if you are type O and trying to use St. John's wort, you may actually consider switching to rhodiola. High dose vitamin C. Your diet and rationally designed supplement are probably fine. It can convert dopamine to anxiety inducing norepinephrine. And if you are taking more than 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily and experiencing stressful feelings, high blood pressure, depression, or anxiety, you might want to drop down the dosage or take a supplement vacation from vitamin C. Let's zero in on blood type O, the kind of exercise and the duration that you need to follow. Before we dive deeper into the type and duration of the kind of exercise that you need to be following, let's briefly look at your stress exercise profile. How you respond to stress is more important than looking at it as a problem. Your goal should be to increase the feeling of satisfaction and well being and decrease the feeling of anxiety and stress. If you are healthy, you will do it through vigorous and intense physical exercise. You should start the exercise with a warm up, continue with an aerobic exercise, and then cool down. Your exercise is divided into isometric exercise, in which stress is created in stationary muscles, and isotonic exercises, which produce muscle tension through a range of movement. The following exercise duration and frequency per week are recommended for you. You can mix any of these exercises, but you have to be sure to do one or several of them at least 4 times a week for best results. They are aerobics 40 to 60 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week, swimming 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 4 times, jogging 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times, weight training 30 minutes, 3 times, treadmill 30 minutes, 3 times, stair climbing 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times, martial arts 60 minutes, 2 to 3 times, contact sports 60 minutes, 2 to 3 times, calisthenics 30 to 45 minutes, 3 times, cycling 30 minutes, 3 times, brisk walking 30 to 40 minutes, 5 times, dancing 40 to 60 minutes, 3 times, inline or roller skating 30 minutes, 3 to 4 times. Be fabulous, heal your body and mind. See you in my next video. Until then, take care.